Mom channel. In today's Cook With Me, I'm going to be showing you how I make taco salad. Now, I understand that everybody likes different toppings and so forth, but you can always add your own toppings, the ones that you like, and take out the ones that you don't like. But I'm going to show you a very easy way and a very budget-friendly recipe that I always go to when I can't figure out what to make for dinner. My family always loves this taco salad. So if this is something you're interested in, I hope you stick around and watch it to the end, and also consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will get right on into it. For this meal, you will need some hamburger meat, taco seasoning, refried beans if you prefer, taco sauce, tortilla chips, Mexican style cheese, nacho cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, olives, and sour cream. The first thing I will be doing is starting to fry the hamburger meat, and as I'm frying the hamburger meat and it's getting brown, I will be prepping and slicing the tomatoes and the lettuce. Previous video was an ALDI grocery haul where I bought some of these ingredients for this taco salad. I will link it in the corner as well as in the description box and at the end of this video if you're interested to see how much ALDI sells some of these ingredients for. It is super budget friendly, so you can check that out if you would like. Once the hamburger meat is brown, I pour the meat over into a strainer and drain the grease for a few minutes. After I drain the grease from the hamburger meat, I put the meat back on the stove and I add the taco seasoning.
I believe in those things. I believe in those things. I believe in those things.
Since the taco seasoning calls for 2/3 cup water per packet of taco seasoning, I add the water and the seasoning together and then pour it over the hamburger meat. see, I did add water to my refried beans, but that is so it will make it easier to stir.
Stand up.
I also add a little bit of taco sauce, and that just gives the refried beans some extra flavor. Now that all the toppings are prepared and I have everything ready on the counter, the last thing I like to do is heat up the nacho cheese sauce.
Stand up.
Now, as you can see, the dinner is complete. I have my tortilla chips, my hamburger, refried beans, lettuce, tomato, olives, nacho cheese, taco sauce, sour cream, and shredded cheese, and it's time to eat. Okay, so now I'm ready to eat, and I'm going to be making my plate. Start off with the tortilla chips. And then you just add your hamburger on top of that. After the hamburger, you put on your refried beans. Then, of course, you put on your nacho cheese. I like a lot. Then you add your toppings. So I'm going to put quite a bit of lettuce on there. I don't like tomatoes, but my husband does. So I'll just make this plate for him. I put the tomatoes on, and then I'm just going to add some shredded cheese on top of that. A few olives. He likes those too. And I'm going to top it with some sour cream. And then he can add the sauce because he likes hot sauce. So I have to get some hot sauce out of the cabinet. But this is what it looks like.